In this question, we're asked to generate an equation and then algebraically rearrange it. This comes up all the time in chemistry. Although we don't often or always have to generate the equations, many times they're given to us and we learn them or memorize them, but we do have to algebraically rearrange them on a very regular basis. So this is really great practice for chemistry. Here it says the osmotic pressure exerted by a solution is equal to the molarity multiplied by the absolute temperature and the gas constant R. Suppose the osmotic pressure of a certain solution is measured to be 9 atmospheres at an absolute temperature of 354 K. Write an equation that will let you calculate the molarity, C, of this solution. Your equation should contain only symbols and be sure to define each variable other than R. So we're going to use molarity. We're going to use C for concentration. So we don't want to use M, we do want to use C because that's what Alex is looking for. You can see here it says C equals. So here it says the osmotic pressure, which we'll use the P variable, is equal to the molarity, where we're going to use the C variable because it tells us to, multiplied by the absolute temperature, we're going to use the T variable, and the gas law constant R. So we want to multiply those all together. This is actually a real equation that does work to solve for osmotic pressure. So P equals C times T times R. Now we want to solve for T. So we want to divide both sides by T times R. Divide by T times R. So C equals P, I just switched it to the other side, divided by T times R. Okay, you may also see this written as C equals P over TR. Both are correct in my opinion. Now we need to define each variable. Well, 9.0 atmospheres is the osmotic pressure, which we defined as variable P. And 354 K is the temperature, which we defined as variable T.